Hello, good morning, friends. Paper 3 British Fiction, Unit 4. Great novelist of English literature. Up to now, friends, we compare different types of, you can say, we discuss our Richardson, Charles Dickens, Henry Fieldings, and now we discuss today. Up to now, we discuss only the male novelist. Some of the girls think about it. Yes, I male writer જ કરો છો, કોઈ female નથી અમારી famous. Now we can discuss about that a female novelist. And the first, we can think about that in our syllabus. We discuss today about the popular and most sincere and one of the greatest novelists is Jane Austen. Jane Austen. Last one, 16 December 1775 and died in 18 July 1870. John Austen's life period was 1775 to 78, down 1870. 1870. Remember that. And 1775. So is so during that it was the first decade of the 19th century. We can say that facts about it was the 19th century because most of the literary production was done in the after the here we find out that 13, 18, 11, 18, 13 and that's all the first 2 decades of the 19th century. That's why you can call the 19th century novelist. And during that time, during these years, because in 1798 to 1840, the time period of the romantic age or age of Wordsworth or romantic revival. It was the age of romantic Wordsworth, romantic age or romantic revival. That's why we can be mentioned here about Jane Austen belong to the romantic age or 19th century because the literary production during this last first 2 decades at the start of 19th century. Speciality, novelist. Her major works, she tied unfinished one of the novel of that. She also has the manuscript writing of about that essay, but she popular for his 6 novels. He was popular for it, and some of the name you have heard, and even that in the next semester you also study about it. Pride and Prejudice, 1813. Sense and Sensibility, 1811. Northanger Abbey, 1818. Mansfield Park, 1814. Imam, 1816. And Persuasion, 1818. These are the 6. The popularity as one of the greatest artistic novelist rest on the 6th novel of Jane Austen. Now, last one, 1775 to 18. You just remember dear friends, don't try to remember the date, but just remember the year 1775 to 1870. Is romantic age of Wordsworth or 19th century, must be remember my dear friends, 19th century. Then speciality, novelist. His major works are the 6th novel, Pride and Prejudice, 1813, Sense and Sensibility, 1811. North Angle Abbey, 1818. Mansfield Park, 1814. Ema, 1816. Persuasion, 1818. You think about that, the sequence of the year was scattered. Where we can say, पहले 11, 18, 14. Why should that plan? Oh, we can discuss about her life. Her life. She was born in 16 December 1775 in Hampshire in UK. UK means United Kingdom. United Kingdom means England or Great Britain, we can call it. She was born in Hampshire in 16 December 1777. Her father was a clergyman. He was George Austin. She belonged to the middle class family. Her monthly income was not high. They are 7 brother and sister, and she was get mostly the education at home. She was educated at home under the guidance of her clergyman father. Her clergyman advised her to read. Those are the rituals books that concern about the religion. And due to by nature, she was close to her sister Cassandra Astin. And she lived she belonged to the motto of simple life and high thinking. Simple living and high thinking. And that's why, she can get a college education, or we can say that higher education in Oxford University. Her life, it was less information we can discuss a lot about, but it's a less important for our, because acquaintance point of view. She was born in 16 December 1775 in Hampshire, UK. Her father was a clergyman, Reverend George Austin. She belonged to the middle class family. She had education at home under the guidance of her father, who is a clergyman. And she belonged to the simple living and high thinking. And that was easily reflected in her novel. Her contribution. She was known as one of the greatest novelists of 19th century, and one of the greatest novelists of the second decades of the 19th century. You can say that she began to write at an early stage. At the age of 16, she wrote her first novel. And she belonged to the less publicity and popularity, dear friends. She wrote simply, she revised, reread the novel, and that at the age of only 16, dear friends, Survashtogi write her first novel, Pride and Prejudice. But due to her less popularity and publicity, she faced difficulty to publish her novels. And dear friend, that's why most of the novels were published at the, when you think about it, 75 to 16 years, you can include it there. At least you can write, I think about that, you can at least at the 1992, 17, 1992, 93, he can wrote her first novel. But her first novel was published in 1813 or 1811. In 1813, that was time due to the publicity. But all these 6 novels show that Thames a beer of her craft and artifice. But this 6 novel was enough there to prove that Jane Austen is one of the talented novelists. She, as we can say that, she also known as a pure novelist. She known as a because she belonged to that. The novel should have all that, because here we have to mention that she, whatever she was an artist, took utmost care in her writing. She take whenever she write her novel, just write down and put note, but she take utmost care. How done that? She constantly revise them before sending to the publisher, and she made herself sure that everything in her novel, which are the elements, 6 elements, most important element: plot, theme, dialogue, humor, and character were perfect in every possible way. Whenever she write down the novel, after the completion of the novel, once again she revised, and she took utmost care about it that anything was not less, and anything was not, we can say that by mistaken, anything was not perfect in the novel. This she focus and the fundamental element of the novel, those are plot, theme, character, humor, dialogues. At their level best, she can try